Avenin Forest Right Act Aven tena implementation ay laboy ni sikin demarcation sorkari nan lathol sikin mipui avenin lampuin ronia immediate demarcation anthope rangro yahin atunin an ke kania himatakin nupang naipang atar averanin chelsepa vantang mipui nincela amabilahin central YCA khotina YCA branch ngai khomi anin chelani an program chu atunin maton te
atar nai tangkan cumrang atar nai tangkan cumrang atar nai tangkan cumrang patalen kanana patalen kanana angke ki mongno di atar nai pangkan cumrang atar nai pangkan cumrang atar nai pangkan cumrang patalen kanang patalen kanang kanang angke ki mongno di angke ki mongno di atar nai pangkan cumrang atar nai pangkan cumrang implementation
masuk muni kontekstoralia kontekstora munania mapuhi kontekstora bagar manipon bagar ania ini mungkin so kania maka indigenous milisi paharmi ne tangmi ne Arot sadin unsong saringnya dia terminta nak mata kaom orang border pala aom inai patalian ang laman no kay nisita abeni na khotang aboy khai abeni lampuan so kanya abeni naninang sakta naman Forest Right implementation permanent patalen hi amang rani labin hin so kaniya mi ay manang din sa kanang naman so patalen permanent naman kailangan abin nan so na right oh abin Nanggar din pagkabihan niya ng
Patalen, kami patalen naman makaya samahin naman sa kanderbin na kay kansuk
patalen permanent patalen Forest Right Act Dungzoy permanent patalen anman
I would like to thanks to your viewers and the channel subscribers. Namaste, Subhay, and good afternoon. So, any question you have from my media friends? Question?
Yes, sir. The first question I want to ask you is that can you introduce yourself?
My name is Eden Mulchore. I am the secretary of Borakveli PMC, and today we have with me, which is Mr. K. Vana Chore, which is the president of Sangram Indigenous Movement, Mr. Kevana. So, and along with me we have many social organizations, which is RYA, YCA, etc. So, next please.
Sir, can you prove that you are indigenous?
That question, my friend Mr. Kevana, President, he will explain about it. Okay, sure. I'll explain. Yes, I can do. I can explain it. According to Tripura Krishnamala, written by Jagdish Gana Chaudhary in the year of 1748, it was clearly written in the Bengali script I'll explain it a bit in Bengali if you don't mind. So it is written like this: when a Bengal emperor, that means Mughal emperor, attacked Tripura, then invaded Tripura. At that time, the king was left his beautiful palace and went to east part of the Tripura. At that time, he found a river, the river name called Longai. In Bengali, it is written like this: me and my friend, my family and my soldiers. When there is a river called Longai, and then nearby this there was a village, and the village is full of Chorai. And it shows that, it proves that we the Chorai people and other indigenous are dwelling in this valley seen from 1748. That means 272 years. You know that, my friends, in the NRC, which is National Register of Citizen of Assam, the cut-off year was 1961. Am I right? Then later on, it was rectified 1971. It means that, it proves that we the Chorai people and the other indigenous people are dwelling in this forest area since from the 1748. That means 272 years we have been here living. So any other question, please?
And I would like to say something here. In 1891, Indian Census, Assam volume, test number 251, is written, the first settler in Kachar are all cooking. There are Chorai, Ramphal, Ranglong, Sakachet, etc.
And one more thing I would like to add, you can say that the Langai River, where is the Langai River? The Langai River is situated just next to me, it falls under the district of Karimganj district. And when the king came in the village, at that time, for the remembrance of the king, the village, the people of that local village, they put at the name as a Manikbon. The ornaments and the traditional ornaments are still available. If you want, you can search it and I can show it to you. So, any other question?
Okay, sir, may I know about your campaign? Rally today all about?
First of all, I would like to tell you that it's a complete non-violence, because me and my organization like ideologies of Sri Mahatma Gandhi. Coming to your question, its movement is implementation of Forest Right Act 2006, FRC. This act was passed from Parliament in 2nd January 2007. According to this act, is applicable to indigenous tribals, to those who dwell in the forest areas. This already FRC title certificate given to us in 2008, but still no demarcation is done yet since 12th year.
I would like to add one more thing regard to this question, if you don't mind. So I'll give an example. See, suppose a prisoner, you know that everyone prisoner which is in the jail. If one prisoner, if you give him a passport, ask him to go abroad like US, can the person go abroad like US? In the same case, we have been entitled, title certificate are given, but no implementation is done yet since so many years, since you can say the 12 years. So I request the government of Assam to implement this act immediately. And I want to ask one more thing, why they are delaying this FRC act to be implemented to my people, for the interest of my people and to develop. Why the government is delaying? My question is to you. I want to request through your channel, through your media. So please to implement this act immediately. So any other question, please?
Sir, why you didn't or your organization raise this question in the assembly?
Well, first of all, I would like to tell you that we don't have any kind of ST reservation MLA. MLA, that means I'll give an example. If my stomach is paining, suppose I supposed to go to the doctor for the treatment. Instead of me, if you go, can I cure it up? No, right? I supposed to go to the doctor for the treatment. Whatever required, whatever the doctor asks me, I have to do. Similarly, we don't have any kind of ST representation in the assembly to raise this question. So this is very complicated. Why the government is not means looking this matter, looking this issue. So see other tribes, they will not talk regarding the other means tribes. So he will look his tribe only. So in this case, so this is, I never seen that this question is raised in the Assam assembly. So this is the main problem. We don't have any kind of ST reservation, ST MLA in our area.
Sir, what is Assam-Mizoram border dispute all about?
Well, I don't want to comment in this regarding this, but since you media came from the so far away, I will comment. It's regarding about the Regulation Act of 1875, which was given by the British. So, any other question, please?
Will Mizoram government or the Mizoram state will get accurate border according to 1875 Regulation Act?
See, first of all, I'll tell you, I am not a judge of Supreme Court, or I am not a Prime Minister, or I am not a Chief Minister. That question is they will take the Supreme authority, those who have, they will discuss. But I do respect your question. In this case, I'll tell you one thing. The implementation of this one, I'll give an example. That means recently so many bills are coming from the parliament. I'm still confusing that. See, I'll give an example. The CAA bill was, when the CAA bill was passed, at that time we can see that this act is not applicable to all the states. Some states they have exempt. Okay. For example, those who have inner line states. In this case, we can see that who has given the inner line state. Inner line state is given by the British. Similarly, one more example I would like to give you, that when India-China border, India considered that McMahon line is our actual border. The China said that it is not actual border. Who has given the McMahon line? McMahon line is given by the British. So in this case, it's very complicated. They can get if they fight. That is not my problem. My problem is to implement Forest Right Act.
Sir, one last question. What is your appeal to the government of Assam and Mizoram?
See, my appeal to the people of the before that, the question which you asked. See, similarly, the movement is. I'll give you one more example. The Naga people. They have already state, right? They have already state, right? But they are demanding the Greater Nagaland. Why they are demanding the Greater Nagaland? The Naga people, they feel that those Naga who are not included in the Nagaland, they feel that they are not getting the actual benefits from the government. So they want to get together to enjoy the facility of the government. Similarly, in this case, if you see, the Mizoram is also the border, nearby the border of Assam and Mizoram. Some Mizo are still in parts of Mizoram. So similarly, the Mizo feels that these Mizo people are not getting proper benefit from the government. So proper benefits from the government. So they want to educational benefits, employment benefits, so many benefits they are not getting exactly what they want. So they want to get together, like Naga people and like similarly in this case. So in this case very complicated. So I heard that nothing is impossible. But if you say everything is possible.
And one more last question.
According to Indian Constitution, Article 3, about of this border, how to adjusting, how to increase and decrease, this totally can pass by Parliament.
And again, what my friends, what my colleague used to say that whether it is possible or not. The provision is there in the Constitution. If you see the Article 3, there is a provision to extend his territory. Any states can extend his territory. There is a provisions are there. If they want, they can try. But it's a fight between the government and the government. I want to appeal to the people of this border side, whether it is Assam or Mizoram, to maintain the peace between us. See, what I support, I am an Indian. We have to understand that I am an Indian. I love my India. I respect my India. It means that I have to respect each part of the states of the India. I do respect Assam, as I do respect Mizoram. As I respect China, as I respect Jammu and Kashmir, as I respect Kerala. Similarly, we are all Indians. Mizoram is not a part of China. Assam is not a part of Bangladesh. We are all Indians. In this case, I want to appeal to the people to maintain peace, and whatever the decision comes from the center, we'll accept it. That's all the citizen I appeal from my organization. And do you want to say something? Okay. Thank you very much for coming here, and Jai Hind.